When should I buy stock and how much should I buy? The first question to ask yourself before you buy stock is, what is my end goal? If your answer is I don't know or I'm not quite sure, stop, go back and figure out the answers before you invest 1 cent. Go back to video 1 on this website and start watching again. I mean it. The second question concerns your investment budget. What is it? When you are just starting off, keep your investments small. And remember that quick profits don't exist for beginners. Then ask yourself what your risk profile is. Are you capable of withstanding risk? And if so, how much? This is when you spend some time learning the basic investment terminology, doing some research on particular areas of interest, and possibly looking into companies that have caught your eye. If you would like a free glossary of stock investment terms you must know, go to www.freeinvestinglessons.com. The address is at the bottom of this video as well. And in the menu on the left side, you will see an area where you can get a download of a free PDF file that is a glossary of stock investment terms, broken down into 3 categories: things you must know, things that would be good if you knew, and other terms that you don't really have to know, but you might as well look over anyways. And after reviewing your goals and your investment desires, this is when you go find a full-service stockbroker. Leave the online trading like E-Trade and whatnot for later. You need a full-service stockbroker when getting started. I guarantee you, you will get much better results with a full-service stockbroker. Even though it costs a little bit more, it matters. It matters greatly, so get a full-service stockbroker. You can be sure that if you don't plan properly for your goals, it's highly likely that you will need to make frequent adjustments to your stock investment portfolio. Too many adjustments means you are going to lose money. At the same time, don't wait until you know everything you need to know and everything is perfect. It probably never will be, and you may never get started at all that way. Remember that procrastination is investing's most common problem. The thing to also keep in mind is that you learn better and more quickly when you are doing this stuff. Now, how many shares do you buy? Now, this is not an easy question to answer for a number of reasons apart from cost and availability. Typically, brokers advise clients to buy their stocks in blocks of between 50 and 100 shares, as this makes it easier to accumulate shares and also keep track of your earnings. The benefits of purchasing shares in larger blocks also extends to commission fees, as many brokerages charge the same commission fee whether you purchase 5 or 500 shares. But, in my experience, you can buy as many shares as you can afford at that point in time, even if it's as few as 1. Like take Google stock for instance. At the moment, at this recording, April 2008, it's just under $500, and that's for 1 share. And you know, you couldn't expect a person starting out to even buy 5 shares, a block of 5 or 10 or even 50 or 100 at that price. Not even. Luckily, that doesn't really matter, because when I was starting out, I only had enough money to buy 8 shares of 3M. As you can tell, it's not a round number, and it's not a big number. And at that point in time, 3M wasn't trading for a whole lot. It's gone up a lot since then, which is great. I strongly suggest that stock for you. Its symbol is MMM, but it just goes to show that when you offer a company money, they will probably take it. Go to www.stockinvestingprofits.com for a free 7-part stock investing kit for beginners. Physical kit shipped right out to you.